Take off the original front cover. Take off the original rear cover. Remove the screw from the room lamp. Remove the room lamp. Unplug the 8-pin plug. Connect the Y-type cable to the 8-pin plug. Connect the Y-type cable to the 8-pin connector. Thread the dash cam wire to the room lamp. Install the original rear cover. Install the dash cam. Connect the Y-type cable to the dash cam wire. Push up to install the room lamp. Install the screws and finish.